Hey guys, I'm Shiv from Hashtag. Earlier I posted a video of the new Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, giving some key specs and features. Also I talked about Note 10 Lite. So today some of the Note 10 Lite specifications are spot on Geekbench. Moreover, Samsung is gearing up to release a Note 10 Lite smartphone before the end of this December. According to the Geekbench report, the smartphone is powered by 1-year-old Exynos 9810 SoC, which made his first appearance on Galaxy Note 9. But still worth and efficient chipsets made on 10nm process. Also, but it is some miles ahead of mid-range segment that has been seen on nowadays. Samsung also includes 6GB of variant Note 10 Lite as well as 8GB may included because many mid-range smartphones comes with an 8GB RAM option. So Samsung also includes an 8GB RAM option. Galaxy Note 10 Lite has an SMN717F model name. Moreover, comes with Android 10 with OneUI 2.0. According to some reports, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite will be available in the South Korean and other overseas market. Anyway, this smartphone prices around $700, which will be come in the Note 10 design and the power of the last year's Note 9. That's awesome in my personal opinion. And what's your thought? A few days before, OneUI come with a new renders of Samsung Galaxy S11 series, which will have a large rear square model of camera. So according to the new report from Let's Go Digital, the fifth camera of the Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus could be used in night shots. This is discovered on a trademark registered at the European Intellectual Property Office. Also, the Samsung Galaxy S11 primary camera will be 108MP sensor, which is also seen on Xiaomi CC9 Pro and made by Samsung itself. So let me know your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite and Galaxy S11 series in the comment box. I make tech videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about different smartphones. And also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. As always, see you next time and thank you for watching it. Namaskar from Hashtag.